Welcome to the Writer System, a professional writing environment built for serious creators, storytellers, and world builders. At its core is writer.php, a clean, distraction-free interface where every word you write is saved, structured, and rendered in beautiful markdown. With just a click, you can label each entry as a prologue, chapter, back cover summary, or personal note, giving you full control over how your manuscript is organized from start to finish. For this demo, we've loaded a test book called Echoes of Tomorrow, a sample sci-fi project used to showcase the system's full capabilities. You'll see labeled chapters, progress stats, and a live timeline, all working together to keep the narrative cohesive and clear. This system is fast, private, and runs entirely on your own hardware. No cloud, no third parties, no compromise. But it does more than just store your work. The built-in progress tracker helps you visualize your writing journey, showing your word count trends, daily streaks, and chapter completion over time. And with the Timeline app, you can map out your entire narrative, logging key events, emotional turning points, and world-building milestones in real time. It's like having a living blueprint of your universe, always evolving as you write. The Writer System is not just a writing tool, it's the foundation for something greater, because the next step is AI. Soon, this system will integrate a local language model that works right alongside you to suggest edits, brainstorm ideas, or even write passages on command, all without ever leaving your machine. No internet connection, no outside servers, just you and your own private intelligence. The Writer System is becoming AI-powered, and that changes everything.